In this package is our brand new amplifier platform called the Digibox. And so we'll just get it out of the box.
So this is how customers receive it?
This is the packaging that the customers receive it in, right? And here it is.
Wow, the Digibox.
Digibox. This is the industrial version.
Wow.
Yes, this is the new feature on this platform. So we have a dedicated Ethernet port on the Digibox platform, meaning that you can extract or stream the measurement data and the calculated results out of the Digibox via this Ethernet port simultaneously while the OT process with the field bus is running. So we are talking about this parallel connectivity feature where I can stream out the data in parallel to the field bus process. IT-OT connectivity is something we have seen in the market. It's a demand from the market that customers want to get access to the measurement data. So you can think of machine learning algorithms, cloud applications, having the results not only available in your PLC, but maybe in your productivity system and software solutions. So we have implemented the MQTT protocol, for example, so you can stream data to edge devices, to the cloud. So this is really a new way of extracting data and creating new use cases.
And